How to reset your Instacart password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to this official website page, which is instacart.com/forgotpassword. It will lead you to this page. Here, you will need to enter your email address. Enter your email address and then press on Reset Password at the bottom. Then link will be sent to your mail. It's not available in my region for sometimes the server is down, but you can simply go to your Gmail. After you go to the Gmail, verification code will be sent. After you get the verification code, copy the code and paste it in the Instacart website, as there will be a space. After you add in there, you can simply add your new password, confirm, and log into your account with a new password. This is how to reset your Instacart password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.